How to download Instagram draft reels with music. First, open your Instagram app, tap on the plus icon at the bottom. You can see draft option at the top. Tap on it. You will see all your drafted videos here. Tap on the reel with the music that you want to save in gallery. There is no direct option to save draft reel to gallery in Instagram. But here is the trick that works 100%. You need to publish the reel from draft. Before posting, turn on your story toggle. I'm selecting add-ons here. Now tap on share. Within a minute, both your reels and story will be posted. Now open your story. Then tap on the three dots menu at the bottom. Select Save Video. This video is now saved on your gallery. Now go back to your gallery to check it out. And here is the reel I just saved. That's it. This is how you can save Instagram draft reels with music.